Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the power button for Google Assistant, Gemini or Bixby. Let's begin. Now, it is really simple. All you have to do is simply press and hold your power button for a moment. So if I do it now, as you can see, for me it is Google Assistant. And if you want to see how to actually change the assistant on your Samsung phone to a different one, you can simply watch our... I don't care. If you want to see how to actually change the Google Assistant to, for example, Gemini or Bixby, you can watch other tutorials on that topic. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.